Welcome to the Selmo Academy tutorial video series. In this comprehensive series, we will take an in-depth look at all facets of Selmo Studio, from the basics to advanced techniques. The focus will be on the structure and main functions of the Selmo Studio. Selmo Studio offers a variety of features to help you program machines easier and faster. We will first familiarize ourselves with the basics to make sure every step is understandable. Then we will show some demos of the application to expand your knowledge. The first video deals with the Selmo Studio structure. The system structure describes the hierarchical organization of a technical system into logical and functional units. The system structure always follows the same structure. We then look at the first modeling level, the logic layer. The logic layer is used to pre-model the steps of the process on a graphical interface. This graphical representation makes modeling the process much easier. Once the logic layer chapter has been completed, we move on to the system layer and its operands. In this area, the system is modeled, the steps and zones are defined, and the machine states and monitoring are specified. In the sixth video in our series, we look at the assembly layer. It is a layer in process modeling that contains ready-made function blocks or components that can be used by developers to create applications of all kinds. As a first feature sequence, we show the functions of the MXIC layer. The MXIC function, manual cross-interlock check, prevents operating errors in manual mode. This is followed by the constantly monitored zones. The CMZs include all signals that are relevant for the safety and protection of the system, such as monitoring, emergency stop switches, etc. Another feature is the parameter layer. The Selmo standard has a parameter layer. The in and output data points are defined there. This makes the process flexible and adaptable. The PLC code is generated in the 10th part. The code generator in the background generates an error-free PLC code from the model data, and this can be exported as PLC OpenXML. The last video of the basics covers how to use the Selmo HMI. The human-machine interface is the interface between a human operator and a machine, a system, or a process. With Selmo, the HMI is generated directly from the process model. Thank you very much for watching. We look forward to seeing you again in the next video.